Hello and welcome to Skid Steer Solutions. I'm here to talk to you about our HCS kit. This is a hydraulic kit, and what it enables you to do is on your machine, on your skid steer or your excavator, tractor, you have only one set of output hoses. So you have a return and an output. What if you have an extra function that you want to run on one of your attachments? What are you going to do? What this is this takes two outputs, or an output and a return, and splits it into four. So now what you can do is you can run, say, a bucket, a four-way bucket. You can open and close that bucket, but say you have a tilt tack on there and you want to be able to tilt it as well. What this enables you to do is, with our electrical wiring harness here, is you can push a button and it'll divert the flow from the main lines, which would be your opening and closing of your four-way bucket. And what it will do is it will put it into it'll bypass it, put it into another set of lines that will run the cylinder that runs your tilt tack. Now, how do we do this? Okay, well, two lines come into here, four lines come out. Two lines are primary, so if you do nothing, if you hook none of this electrical up, you just have it over here, it will run the main primary circuit. So in this case, we'll call it the 4-in-1. So it'll run the 4-in-1 bucket. Now, if you hook this electrical up, it will switch that circuit. So it'll switch that circuit to the secondary circuit. So now, as long as you're holding the button and sending a charge to this coil, it will allow you now to run the hydraulic control over to the tilt tack. Now, the basic kit includes this. This is the jumper wire that goes from the solenoid, which you would mount on the attachment, or you could possibly mount it on your boom depending on the configuration. You run this wire out. So this is the wire that's mounted on here. This is the wire that goes down your boom. So on let's talk about a skid steer, you have a boom, you've got your hydraulic connections there. You'll connect this wire right near where the hydraulic connections are. You'll run it back, all the way back into the cab, and then this is a little pigtail with a switch on it. So this will plug into there, and it's got a pair of wires here that go off to your battery or any kind of accessory connection. So that could be a cigarette lighter, it could be just an open fuse position in your cab, something very simple. There's a couple tie wraps in here. You can tie wrap this onto your stick. It's a completely sealed solenoid pack, or control pack. It's got a gold contact in it, and it's completely sealed. So it's guaranteed for at least 1 million switch activations. So this is an industrial switch. It's not something that we picked up off the shelf at a local stereo shop or something. This is designed for commercial applications. Now, when you push the button, it triggers a solenoid, which then triggers the bypass flow to go to the other set of ports. Now, we have this because we've been doing this so long. We contracted this probably 14 years ago, back in 2000, and we use this on every one of our attachments. We have literally thousands and thousands of these out there with never a failure. This is by far the most accurate, most just absolutely wonderful product. Customers saw this on many of our attachments and said, hey, can we buy this? So we made this available in a little kit, comes in a little box, has everything that you need with an instruction pack of what to do, how to wire it up, how to make it work. And because we use this 2-pin Deutsch, you don't have to just use this generic switch pack. We also have 14-pin kits, we have 8-pin kits, we have CAN bus kits which go on a Bobcat, and we even have remote control kits that will plug directly into the solenoid. So you can actually run this remotely from your machine. So we have all kinds of solutions when it comes to electronics and hydraulic controls here at Skid Steer Solutions. We're happy to help you out. Contact us, and we're happy to help you with any questions you may have. And if you have a unique question, it may show up on one of our videos.